record. Thank you, dear students. You see here, students of third year honors, the Duchess of Malfi, John Webster. Lecture number 3, dated 27/09/2020. Dhaka Women College, Department of English, honors third year, total student 54. Out of 54, only how many students are here? Only participant 20, only 20. No, of course you should be attentive, and of course you should
18,
attend
sir.
the class. No, 20. Here shows it 20, including me. Elizabethan and Jacobean drama, course code 231101. Siddharth Anjurusai, head of the Department of English. So, dear students, every day, according to your schedule routine, please attend the class. Anytime our honorable chairman, Professor N.I. Khan, visit. Every day, he is visiting the classes. And of course, the students who will present in the class regularly, they will be rewarded. It is said by Honorable Chairman N.I. Khan, that is Nazrul Islam Khan, and he was the former Education Secretary of Bangladesh government. Okay, dear students. So, if silent, don't do that. Your hair is very nice to look at. So, I think you are okay, you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah and your pray. And I don't like to waste my time. You see here, I have given of this topics two lectures, and this is my third lecture. Okay, dear students, and you see introduction, the Duchess of Malfi. Number 8. Already I have given the first lecture of introduction of Malfi up to 7, and now we like to start from 8. Webster's deviation from the original story. Webster's deviation from the original story. Some students are coming now. You know very well deviates, that is chuto, বাইরে যাওয়া. Webster did not use the real story which was written by Painter. So, Webster deviates from the original source of the story to perform his conception tragedy. You know very well, the Duchess of Malfi is a tragedy. Here, Painter is the real dramatist. And in Painter's Duchess, the heroine is a lascivious woman, who is justly punished normally. But Webster presents the Duchess, the heroine of his drama, is more attractive, is more beautiful, and more attentive. Some minor characters are here, you know. Bozola, a criminal who played dual character, is a criminal, and he actually played a very important role. So, the role of Bozola, sudden visit of Duke Malfi, his surprise. Duke Malfi is the elder brother of the Duchess, who is the heroine of this drama. So, his surprise appearance in the bedchamber of the Duchess, the spectacular ceremony of Loreto, a place where Duchess is ready to go, Cardinal Julia relationship, an artificial relationship was built up by the Duke of Malfi, or elder brother of Duchess, and also his younger brother Cardinal. The artificial figure of Antonio and children are Webster invention. So these characters are invented. They are innovated in this drama by Webster. So here he is deviated himself from the real story of painter. Okay, number 9, dear students, we can go. Number 9, scenes of great dramatic effect. Yes, it's very important for you. When the dramatic effect already been started, you know, when actually the great dramatic effect of Duchess is started, when Duchess wing and marrying to Antonio, or I say, when Duchess loved and also married Antonio, these turned into a climax of the drama. So the scenes of great dramatic effect actually started from this. From times immemorial, শরণাতীত কাল থেকে, the night winning princess has extended an undiminished Continizator charm to human. Man always, normally we say, man is the worshipper of beauty. মানুষ সবসময় সৌন্দর্যের পূজারী. So here, Antonio, the husband or the lover of the Duchess, the heroine. And what do you know, Antonio? Those who have come newly joined in my class, they don't know who is Duchess. Duchess is the main character and heroine of the play, the Duchess of Malfi. Malfi is a kingdom. And her two brothers, Cardinal and Duke. Ferdinand Duke, elder brother, sorry, Ferdinand Duke and Cardinal. Cardinal is elder brother and Duke is younger brother. So here, at the age of 12, Duchess was married, but unfortunately, her husband died when she was 20 years old. And it was her crib time, full of youth. But there is a binding. If the husband is dead, no one can. Normally, the women or the lady or the girl should not marry next time. But here you see, Duchess is young, smart, and full of youth. During that time, her husband died. So ultimately, she fell in love with Antonio, a steward of the palace, a fourth-class employee of the palace. But Antonio is very handsome, young. And not only this, Duchess married him secretly. But her brother did not know this. So her two brothers appointed Bajola, an spy, to know the real history from the Duchess. By this time, there is a rumor the Duchess had married and two children are born. So, sorry, I am going to admit another person. Okay. So here we see Cardinal and Duke Ferdinand. They made a conspiracy only to know the real happening, real fact from Duchess. So Bajola is a spy. Here, so when they married each other, Antonio realizes that he is a very poor person, a steward. his lowly status and points out his unworthiness. But then the Duchess emboldens, encouraged him, telling, "Ei bole, you do tremble, তুমি ভয় পাচ্ছ? Make not Make not your heart so dead a piece of flesh." তোমার হৃদয়টাকে একটা মাছের মাংসের মতো মনে করো না। You are handsome, smart, energetic, and you are a young boy. So why do you become very worried? Antonio wonders. But Antonio became very worried only how her brothers look at the marriage. কিভাবে তার ভাইরা তার এই বিবাহটা নেয়। But Duchess has an escapist answer. Duchess শত শত সঙ্গে সঙ্গে উত্তর দিয়ে দিল, to have the best of the present moment. বলতে শোনো, সময়টাকে গুরুত্ব দাও। The present time is very valuable time. I am young. I am full of youth and also you. So this is the important point. So she says, do not think of them. ওদের কথা ভেবেও না। Here we see the boldness of Inam, Duchess of the Duchess. Number 10, scene of the Duchess bedroom. That is bed chamber, bedroom. This is very crucial place where a horrible and a terror and a horror happening was happened. When they were talking, when the small talk between the lovers in the bed chamber, that is Antonio and Duchess were talking, and the scene is very resplendent, মানে আলোকিত করা, আলোক উজ্জ্বল করা, with the love and tenderness. It is bedtime. Caruala is her maid servant. Her maid servant, the Duchess. Maid servant joins the lovers in distress. So in the bed chamber, everybody was laughing and making some ridiculous activities. The atmosphere was very happy. Then Antonio and Caruala, still leaving the Duchess to talk to herself. Caruala and Antonio left the room silently. Remained Duchess to talk herself. Duke Ferdinand entered the room. This is very important. Duke Ferdinand, his younger brother, entered the room with a knife, created horror. The total bedroom became a very gloomy room. He rebukes the Duchess with atrocious words, that is illegal word, abuse, actually, abuse Duchess, her sister. The Duchess asked why she would not marry. Duchess বলল কেন মেরি বিয়ে করতে সমস্যা কি? The Duke, instead of answering the question, says, "Thou art done." উনি বললেন যে এই কথা বলার এখন সময় না, ওটা শেষ হয়ে গেছে। You know very well, there is no any permission anybody of this house to marry secondly or second time marriage is not allowed here. But Duchess is young, smart, so she needs a male person to consummate her youth, her beauty, etc., etc. She tries to point out that her reputation is safe. And she told again and again to her brother that the reputation is not lost. It is totally safe. The Duke tells a parable to tell that reputation once lost cannot be regained. একবার যদি ক্যারেক্টার লুজ হয়ে যায় সেটা আর ফেরত আসে না। মানি লস, মানি উইল রিগেইন। টাকা চলে গেলে টাকা আসে, বাট ক্যারেক্টার লস, এভরিথিং লস। একটা প্রবাদ আছে, দ্যার ইজ এ প্রবাদ। কি প্রবাদ জানো তোমরা? নিশ্চয়ই জানা উচিত। মানি লস্ট, নাথিং লস্ট। মানে মানি লস্ট হয়েছে কিছু না, ওটা কিছু না আবার আসবে। বাট ক্যারেক্টার লস, এভরিথিং লস। কিন্তু চরিত্র যদি নষ্ট হয়ে যায় তাহলে তাকে আর ভালোবাসার আর জায়গা থাকে না। Okay, আমরা number 10. Number 10 দেখো Bajola. Bajola tricking or persuading the Duchess. You know, Bajola is appointed as a spy to know the real facts from the Duchess because Duchess lived in Malfi and two brothers lived in their kingdom. Okay, so this scene is very effective scene. Bajola extracted out or collected the secret from the Duchess by subtle flattery. Bajola is a very critical person. His behaving is foxing. Foxing bojo, শিয়ালের মতো, শিয়াল. He is very clever person. So, by persuading or extracting, Bajola collected all the reports from Duchess. Duchess is very simple. Straightforward Duchess falls into trap. Being simple lady, she falls into trap and reveals to Bajola. So she reveals everything to Bajola that Antonio is her husband, born 3 children, অর্থাৎ she had born 3 children. Bajola pretends to be her well-wisher. Bajola is a criminal. He played dual role. Actually, he is appointed by the two brothers, but the simple lady Duchess did not know what is going on. So, in her simplicity, in her innocence, Bajola extracted everything from the Duchess. By this time, Duchess knew everything. She married Antonio and her 3 children. So, Bajola became a very well-wisher and advises her to feign or pretended to pilgrims to Loreto, and she advised to go to Loreto, a place of Italy, so that she can depart from the dukedom with honor. যাতে সে সম্মানের সহিত এখান থেকে বেরিয়ে যেতে পারে, এই জন্য তিনি এই পরামর্শ দিলেন। Actually, Bajola played a dual role. Now, Duchess is in trap of Bajola. The Duchess very simply kissed her brother's hand affectionately. It is the a normal affection of the English society. Who has forgiven her, the Duchess shrinks in ghastly horror when the lights are brought. But when the lights are open or lights are brought, ana holo, Duchess knew everything and became very worried. Next, 12. The echo scene of Shakespeare. A lot of scenes are found, a lot of characters are found, which is borrowed from Shakespeare's different drama. Webster uses this echo with usual skill that makes the play more attractive. For this reason, he borrowed some echo scene from Shakespeare. The Duchess reminds one of Desdemona of Shakespeare's Othello. Othello is the heroine of, Shakespeare's Othello is a great drama and the heroine Desdemona. So here Desdemona and the Duchess, there are some similarities. Carolio appears similar to Emilia, another character. Bajola the Iago, এখানে আরেকটি ক্যারেক্টার, Cardinalis Claudius of Hamlet, Claudius. Cardinalis compared here with Claudius of Hamlet, who married Hamlet's mother by killing Hamlet's other, William Hamlet, and many other characters are borrowed from Shakespeare. The repetition of closing words of Antonio produces echo. So, the repetition, again and again, the words are used. The closing speeches, which was delivered by Antonio. it is also echo scene. The ghost of the Duchess speaking, the presence of murdered Duchess is unearthly magic. And the dramatic irony in what the echo tells creates a striking impression. So, the echo scene, which has been brought by Webster from Shakespeare or any other person, but mainly Shakespeare. Desdemona, very comparative character. Desdemona, there is a simplicity, there is a similarity between Desdemona and the Duchess. Okay, number 13, struggling scene, death scene, death scene. This series climax, the climax of the play reached when Duchess is struggled, যখন ডাচেসকে মারা হয় শ্বাসরোধ করে, স্ট্রাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে শ্বাসরোধ করে হত্যা করা, but she faces her fate with dignity and courage. But Duchess is a lady of principle, lady of strength. She had a great principality. She was born in a high class society. একটা কথা আছে, এরা মরবে তবু ভিক্ষা করবে না, মানে অসম্মান হবে না। So Duchess faces his dignity, তার faces his fate, তার ভাগ্যকে সে সহজ করে মেনে নিল, dignity and courage, মর্যাদার সহিত, সাহসের সহিত। The manner in which Carolia faces her death also juxtaposes against the Duchess' calm and resigned, frustrated attitude. Not only Duchess was dead or strangled, also Cariola, the maid servant of Duchess, was also strangled, also killed. And Duchess knew everything, but Duchess is very strong. She did not give up her aim, her strength, her power, her dignity, her courage, her mortality. No, he is not. He is not. He has not given up. কোনোটাই পরিত্যাগ করে নাই। She had already lost her desire to death of Antonio and his children. She knew that Antonio is dead, children are dead, but and not only this, the madman were sent to the drive her to despair, but she remains cool when the madman was entered into the room to make frustration Duchess, but Duchess remains cool. She tells Cariola to sit. She tells Cariola to sit. Cariola কে বললো, মানে ওই at that moment বসো, বদলা কাম চিনে টম মেকার বোঝো, টম মেকার মানে স্মৃতিসৌধ বানাবে যিনি, যে তোমার স্মৃতিসৌধ বানানো হচ্ছে, তুমি এর মধ্যে থাকবা, তুমি মরে যাবা। But his cruel remarks, she says, I am Duchess of Malfisville. When Bozola rebukes Duchess in different, using in different slag language, he abuses again and again, but passes at the moment of death, Duchess said, I am still Duchess of Malfi. So the Duchess is not frightened. She is not worried. She is not frustrated, but she faces her death calmly, like a true Christian, a pure Christian, a pure Muslim, a pious Muslim die normally without any anxiety. Okay, thank you. Next, the Duchess regains her consciousness momentarily. কিছু সময়ের জন্য তিনি তার, when Duchess was strangled, যখন মারা হলো, and her maid servant Cariola, when Cariola's dead bodies were taken by the strangler, the Duchess regains her consciousness for a short time. During that time, she did not totally die. So she became little bit conscious and adding to the horror of the struggling. It was midnight, none of the room except Bozola. When this happened, Bozola tells a noble lie. Bozola became to Duchess. Sorry, don't talk please. Bozola tells a noble lie to that Antonio is reconciled with her brother. He does this just to see that innocent Duchess dies hearing a comfort news. যাতে ডাচেস মরে যাচ্ছে জানি, কিন্তু সে যেন একটা শান্তি নিয়ে যেতে পারে, কমফর্ট, একটা ভালো নিউজ নিয়ে যেতে পারে। Bojola succeeds in his aim and the Duchess dies with a thanks God. So, Bojola, Duchess dies with a like a pure Christian, and